Chief Minister's District Level Youth Engagement Program 2025 kabaars ngi kanthi halor kapang Empower Youth Empower Meghalaya hakajing penya jongka District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills District mentakas ngi kalapoino syakabakut. Kani ke program kalalong ka ba isyong kun bat itanat bha ha kabala sakhi ya kisap ki phong bat ki jingla jong ki samla ki badai na po ki block ki baper jong ka West Khasi Hills District kenthop ya ka Motion Road CNRD block Shalang CNRD block Rimulyang CNRD block Rambrai CNRD block bat kanong Stone CNRD block. Hakani kesngi Pynkut balapan long Havani Hall Pendengre uba Gabriel Waklang MLA kanong Stone constituency ulalong ukong san hakajinge senran lang uba HK Thaba Additional Deputy Commissioner kum usembut kong san kakong BSA District Sports Officer Father Marius Thongni Parish Priest ke Pendengre Parish lambat kinong hikai kisamla pulie bat kinong mikmat na ki club beper jongka District West Khasi Hills. Kisamla pulie na kisantali ki block jongka district kilaya khun ha ki jinga lekai beper na ka benta ban yo ya ka kabu ban mikmat ya ka district shaka jinga khun ha ka state level competition kenthop ya ka folk dance, folk song, guitar competition, tug of war, painting, one act play bat shibon ki weipat ki jinga kop. Kani ka program ka day kalenti ka bakarpang ban ailat ya ki samla ban penpau ya laki sap ki phong bat ki jingla jongki ha ki benta ki baper ka balong ka thong jong umentri rangba ka jala kata ka long ban kentiu ya ki samla ka jala Meghalaya. Ha kasngi Pynkut ya kani ka program ki kongsan kilayo ban samru ya ki khusnam shakinong job da ki khusnam ki baper kum kadak ban pertu ya ka jingtre shitom jongki bat ban ai men sim shu na ka benta ki samla bakin nang kiu shaprang hakiliang baro. Ha ka jingkren jong ukong san uba Gabriel Waklang ulapan pau ka jingkemen bat ka jingkit bok kit riang ya kinong penyat kinong hikai bat baro ki balashim benta da ka baong ba ki samla ki day ka jingkermen jong ka jela ba ki day ban yai tre shitom ban wanra ya ka roy kapar bat ka jingkala ha ka jela Meghalaya la ka day ha ka sap ka phong jong ki ne ka pulie puthi. Kidai bandon ka thong kata bante ya ka imlang salang ya ka District West Khasi Hills hi baro kawai. Hapadeng ki jing tenjo bat ki jing ki ba ki samla ki mat bat ki akendu kum ha ki jing di ki basniu bat ki we pat ki kam penban ki samla ki de ban ya khun ya kita bat ban pendon kam hok ya ka sap ka phong ki jing nang jing start ki ba uplei la ai haki khnang bakin long ki klur kari hakala shai jong ka jing im.
Focus understand. So those are my advice for you to stay away from all the things that will distract your mind, that will distract your focus. My other thing is the government of Meghalaya under the able leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Sarkarat K. Sarma he see the potential of our youth. In fact, India is the country, is a young country with 65% of the population of India below 35 years of age. So we have a large youth population. Since I told you at the beginning that the youth are the pillars of the country. So if we can nurture you, if you can go in the right path, then you will be able to make our country a developed nation by 2047. The government of India aims to be a developed nation by 2047, which is called as Viksit Bharat, a developed India. And our state is aiming to achieve a $10 billion economy by 2032. So it is only through the cooperation of all the inhabitants of the state of Meghalaya that we will be able to make our country, our state and our country as a developed nation, a developed state and a prosperous state. I'll ask you one question. How many fundamental duties do we have in the Constitution of India? Fundamental duties, not rights. That is what we're going to focus on. So how many fundamental duties do we have? 11. One of the fundamental duties mentioned that to develop a scientific temper and a spirit of inquisitive. So as long as you are young, be curious, ask questions, look at the newspaper, read the newspaper, watch the news. Every day there are so many things happening around us. If you watch the news, USA is imposing tariff on India. So you have to know what is tariff. Then you also know about the GST reform. We all know GST, but we don't even know what is reform. Some of you may not even know the reform. So you have to know about those things. Then every day there is at the international level we talk about rare arts. How many of you have heard about rare arts? R-A-R-E.
I want you to promote the best hustle. I've been talking in all my programs. Where are we heading? 50 years we are going to be by next year. Where are we heading? Our West Hustle, as rightly said by our Honorable DSO, Mr. Tower. We don't have an message. We don't have an MPS. Where are we headed? 50 years. Now I am here to speak, but the vision is within you. Are you listening to me or are you listening to yourself as well? I am only giving you a speech, but listen to your heart. You promote the society, you promote the family, you promote the family. And the best is you promote yourself. So to have this opportunity, it will never come back in your life when you fail. It will never come back. We are here, and all the teachers are here. They can give you lecture, your parents can give you lecture, because all the opportunities have been faded away. Your opportunity is still open. So take the opportunity and convert into a big thing. Then you will see, one day, you will smile and you will dance like the way you dance. All of you love dances, but that is a part of the journey. It's not a dancing of glory, it is a dancing for amusement and entertainment. You all do it. But are we going to dance for ourselves, for ourselves? Or we glorify with the feeling of being somebody in life and we can be able to contribute towards the society? Are we dancing for that? Are we happy to be dancing when we enjoy and listen to the music? When you come here, I thank everyone who have win all the prize. Thank you so much for that radio determination. When you win, you have to do it. And that division, you cooperate along with your friends when you do a tackle work. It's not alone. You're not only your own strength, but you have to depend on the other strength. So the other strength that you depend on or you lean on, you have your parents, you have your teachers, you have your family members, you have a person like me who give a lecture to you. So that is a dependent on strength. So we are not living alone in this world. We need somebody to give us support, to give us an inspirational support or motivate us how to do what we like.